friends, this is Paris from Tech Addo, and today we are going to unbox the all-new Model Art 3.5 channel radio control helicopter. So here I have the box and I've ordered this from flipkart.com. So it's come with this box. So let's cut it from here. As you can see here, it's packing. And its price is rupees 870, and you can buy this in market at around 2000 rupees. So it's very cheaper on Flipkart and very costly on markets. So here you can see I have fully cut it. So let's take our box out. Yeah. So here you can see we have the helicopter and it's looking pretty much cool. Yeah. We have the durable king and you can see ages 14 plus. So here are many features that you can fly this on home. And it is TRC radio controlled, and we have the charging function, the lights on the helicopter. So here we have the box, and let's start with the unboxing. Yeah. So here I will just remove this tape, and as you can see I removed the tape and open the box. And I will just slide this box out. So here you can see I have the charger, it's adaptive, and if I open it, so you have to be very careful while handling this. So I will just remove this from the, here you can see we have this prefixed, so you need to take this. So it's just not simple, but you have to do. You have to cut this from here. No. You have to remove your helicopter with some extra hose, like I'm doing here. You can see. You can cut it from here.